Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm. In this video, we're going to talk about selling window film, but we're going to talk about selling it with emotion versus explanation. See, a lot of you guys just think you can explain all your window films and sell it. And you may fool yourself and think that's working for you, and it probably does to some extent, you know. I've seen some people be actually very successful trying to explain all their window films. I walked into a tent shop one time and there was a brand of window film, and this particular brand has a lot of automotive choices. And this particular window film business had all the choices, and they had every single display in their showroom. Let's just say they had a 1-ply dyed film, a 2-ply dyed film, then they had a high performance film. Let's just say they had some more choices that were like 2 or 3 more between, you know, what I'm saying now in the ceramic. Then there was another 1 or 2 ceramics, and it was like, oh my gosh, there's like 6, 7, 8 display boards on the wall. And I was watching the owner of this window film business explain these window films to these customers. And I was watching these customers just like lose their mind, like they were getting confused, they were looking away, and they, you know, it was like, I'm just here to get my windows tinted. What's the difference between this film, this film, this film? And you know, and the differences were really just superficial. The way this owner was explaining, it was just, I didn't even understand it. I consider myself an entry-level marginal person that understands this business, and I was like I was more confused when I left than when I got there, you know. And think about how these poor customers felt. So that was the explanation. That was the day I realized explanation is bombing out, okay? What's emotion? How do we sell window film with emotion? If you've got a heat lamp demonstration and you've got a product that either has heat insulation or it doesn't, then you can simply divide and conquer right here. This film has no heat insulation, and put your hand in front of it and it doesn't feel very good. Film that has heat insulation feels really good if it's a good quality product. And then you've got other products that may even feel better as they have more heat insulation. And so you basically tell customers, hey, you know, I've got all my window films are great, they're lifetime warranty. You won't even be able to tell the difference by the way they look. But the difference is in the performance or the value of the product. And I can quickly show you what that value is right here. So trying to sell window film based on emotion simply means that you demonstrate the value of your product with a heat lamp demonstration. And if you really want to think about this for a second, it doesn't require a lot of talking. You can show people what your films are going to do for them and how they're going to slow down the heat, or if they don't slow down heat at all, right here. So think about how you're going to sell your window film. Are you going to try to explain it away or use emotion to show it? Most people will be more successful and get the job done quicker and in such a way where your customers understand what they're buying without even having to talk, if you use emotion. So when you sell window film, try to use emotion. There is only one exception to the rule. If you're not going to use any quality film, or you're going to use a window film with no heat insulation, then try to explain it, because this ain't going to work for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Thank you.